The luxury for your lifestyle, good facility like a resort close to Nimman and can view the mountain view. We are here at the Hilltania Condo. Hello everyone, today you meet me Preaw Perfect Home again, and today I would like to recommend for this room at the Hilltania for you. For this building is on the Canal Road, close to Nimman and close to Chiang Mai University and close to the Lam Hospital, Lana Hospital and the mall, just like Maya Mall. Talk about this room is with the size 36.707 square meter. And talk about the security here is very good. They have security here for you and CCTV. They also have a pool and fitness for you also. You wanna see inside? Let's go. Yeah, coming inside the room, and I would like to show about the door. They also have a digital door for you. It's really safe for you. And for my right hand, here is space for the washing machine. The new one is really nice. And on the top, they also have a storage. You can put something here, inside here. And if you close, you can see the mirror here. And my left hand, they also have the fridge and electric stove, microwave, and hood. The sink for you is very clean and nice, and many storage inside here. You can keep something or this or some sauce, some ingredient inside this also. And the next part, this is a living area. They also have the big television here for you and the built-in with the storage. Some storage here, just 3 parts. You can put something like a remote or document everything here. Maybe you can decorate the picture and draw everything that you want to hear also. And they also have a sofa for you. This living area have one big air condition for you also. And for the dining area, when you sit here and have eat something or dinner something and the breakfast, you can see with the mountain view. It's very nice room. Yes, and next for this part. This part is a bedroom. Then they also have a door glass for block for separate for between bedroom and the living area for you. And they also have a queen bed side for you with the big process for you with the digital light when you open this. And this bedroom also have an air condition for you. And now we will go to the balcony. The balcony they also decorate by the table and chair here. When you wake up or want to relax for this part, you can see the pool view and the mountain view also. Let's see the bathroom. And now we are in the bathroom. I really like this room because this decorated granite and the nice with the warm light. When you come inside, you can make up here or do something that you want. And they also have the sink. They're separate for hot and cold water. And storage inside this. They separate wash and dry for you. They also have a shower, rain shower for you also. So I would like to talk about the room again. For this room is 36.07 square meter and with fully furnished and facility. They also have a security here, CCTV, the pool like a resort and the fitness for you also. And the located is on the Canal Road close to Nimman and Chiang Mai University, Lam Hospital, Maharaj Hospital and Maya Mall. If you want to see this room, please contact here. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my fully video. For today, thank you for watching my video. Bye!